Hallais! Og velkommen til Social Media med Grus Media Produksjon. Jeg heter Scott Meyer og jobber med Daniel Andersen hos Grus Media Produksjon. Og jeg er amerikansk og derfor har en stor amerikansk dialekt, så jeg tror det er bedre hvis jeg tar det på engelsk. Beklager om det. We are very excited today to tell you about social media and business. It's a new tool that you can use to do exactly what you're already doing, telling customers why you are the best. And what social media is really good for is giving you really big ears and a really big mouth. Because your customers are online talking about you and about your competition, and so it's best if you listen in and know what they want, if they like your product or not, and how to get them to buy your product. And that's what's great about social media and your big mouth. All of a sudden with social media, you can broadcast your message to people all over the world, all over Norway, all over Tromsø, wherever you are. And you can find people that are interested in you and specifically talk to them. Plus, the future of business really is on social media. 96% of people 30 and under are on social networks. And so the future of your business is there, and you should be too. Daniel and I have been using social media with local customers such as Hålogaland Teater, and we've gotten very good results. Thanks to social media, we were able to increase the number of people visiting the Hålogaland Teater website, the number of people talking about Hålogaland Teater, and ultimately the number of people buying tickets for Hålogaland Teater. And this has been very successful. We increased the traffic 20%, and now we have a group of people that are continually ready to hear our message. So instead of advertising to the empty space, we're advertising to interested people who will come and buy tickets. The same can be done for your business. We can get people to talk about you, we can get people excited about your product, and we can use social media to increase the sound of your voice and the size of your ears. So talk to Daniel Andersen in Grus Media Produksjon, and hopefully we can work together soon to get your product online. From the US, ha det bra, og vi ses.